guys, I'm really hyper today. It's Taylor, by the way. Woo! I'm really hyper today because I'm really excited. I'm going to the mall later. I'm going to see my friends that I haven't seen in a long time. And I'm dyeing people's hair this weekend. And school's coming up and summer's almost over. But, oh well, it was fun. Summer 2010 wasn't as great as I expected, but it's cool. It's all good, right? So I haven't made a video in a really long time because I've been kind of busy with life, talking to my friends, that kind of thing, just being a stupid teenager, not doing really anything that exciting or that hard, but it's occupying. I dyed my hair since the last time I did a video. Look it's like red and orange, and yeah, I know it's not that cute, so I'm just gonna stop. I'm dyeing my hair again soon because this is not the color it was supposed to be. It was supposed to be like purple, but oh well, the dye failed. Whatever, I'm a good sport about hair dye. I crimped my hair. See, isn't it neat? It took like 4 hours because the iron wouldn't get hot, but that's okay because I had nothing better to do. Although I could have been making another video for you guys. But I went to summer camp this summer and I played with little kids. This is my shirt from summer camp. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute, and it's purple, which is my favorite color. It's all good. So school's coming up. 4 days for me. I go back the 7th. It is the 4th. Yeah, I'm this hyper at 11 o'clock in the morning when I should be sleeping my last couple days of summer. It is a Friday, so yeah, sleepovers this weekend. I'm excited. But yeah, so I'm going back to school, so I won't have as much time on the computer to talk to you guys. So sorry, tear, sad, but yeah, I'm really hyper and energetic, so I think I'm going to get off the computer, maybe go for a run. No, who am I kidding? I don't run. I'm going to go do something fun so that I'm not just sitting here all day. So, yeah, contact me on YouTube. Hey, I'm Taylor, Heey. I'm TAYLOR on MySpace, myspace.com/120748468. Or if you know me personally, on Facebook. And I will hear from you guys soon, and I'll talk to you, and I'll make more videos, and it'll be fun. Bye, guys.